time for school. Blue, red, green, orange, pink. Pink, green, pink, green. Pink, green. It's Daddy Pig. Pink, blue. Pink, blue. Pink, blue. It's George Pig. Pink, orange. Pink, orange. Pink, orange. It's Mommy Pig. Pink, red. Pink, red. Pink, red. It's Peppa Pig. Red, pink, orange, blue, green. Bye-bye. Today on DCTC School, we're talking about all of the colors in a rainbow. Those colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. And as you can see in the back, I have divided up lots of our favorite characters in the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Lots of characters that you know, like Lightning McQueen. Lightning McQueen is red. And so is the shirt that Peppa Pig wears. Look at Marshall's fire truck. His fire truck is red, and so is his hat. And so are my fingernails. This Barbie doll has red hair, red shoes, and a red skirt. An orange nom. And look at Zuma. Zuma has on a lot of orange. And here's an orange pony. Okay, so we said red, then orange. Do you remember what color is next? I'm hiding the rainbow. There it is, it's yellow. Let's look at some yellow toys. One of my favorite Shopkins. Cheesy. Cheesy is yellow. Let's see what else. a yellow rubber duck. Quack, 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 quack. This num is yellow. Next is green. Let's see. Rocky wears green. This is a light green Shopkins. I can't remember the name. Do you guys remember? Let's see, let's find one more green thing. How about the nom? It's a light up one. Okay, and after green, it's blue. This is a light shade of blue. And here is a dark shade of blue. George Pig wears a blue shirt. Okay, so red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and our last row of our rainbow is purple. Purple like this little Shopkins. Purple like this little dolphin. And now let's use some paint to make our own rainbow. Ooh, George fell. Stand up, George! Here's our paint. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. I have a small white canvas. So we can either paint our rainbow tall or long. And I think we'll do it long. So who remembers what color we start with? That's right, red. Red like Lightning McQueen. Next is orange, like Zuma. Moving on to yellow, like Cheesy. Now green, like Rocky. Just 2 colors left. Next is blue, like the shirt that George Pig wears. And now for our last color. Did you remember that it's purple? Good job! So just like our rainbow of toys, we have our rainbow that we painted. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Rainbow, rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Rainbow colors are everywhere. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.